It's cold outside, but I gotta get my tools. And I'm bundled up and looking kind of like an idiot because, well, let me turn around here. That's what the outdoors looks like. Walking in a winter wonderland. It's just cold. Anyway, I got myself something, and I have to take back some of what I've said before. Kind of. I have before kind of made fun of slightly, maybe just a little bit, people that don't have tools that look like this. And that's kind of used tools. But I now realize the error in my ways, because at some point, every tool is a new tool. Which brings me to this. I got this guy. I'm gonna see how it works. I really don't know. But it can't work worse than what I've been doing up until now, which has been just getting frustrated and using the wrong tool for the job. So let's see if this works. Soon this tool will go in my plumbing toolbox. I don't know if anybody else has one of these units, but I like to keep like some tools separate, plumbing stuff. And I'm not a plumber, so yeah, there's not everything in here. My PEX crimper, some pipe wrenches, some little hacksaws, a couple fittings, and I got a couple pipe cutters, a little reamer, whatever. But now we're gonna add this guy to it. And in a way, this is gonna kind of be like a review, only for this one situation. But this is the Klein 12-in-1 faucet wrench multi-tool. I don't need it for multiple things at the moment, just a single situation. And I'm going to need it for kind of like that one. But I'll show you. We'll see. My sink's broke. And it's not broke, it's just loose because it broke loose. So how about that? How about that? I was right both times. But the faucet's just floppity. Like, I'll show you. I do the video inside. My kids are watching TV and it's loud and whatever. So I'm talking now. But it's loose, and it was loose. I kind of tightened it as far as I could with my fingers. And that's all the stronger my fingers are. So I got it to this point. It was completely flopped over, and that nut underneath on the underside just kind of loosened up. So I had to go out and buy a tool. I hate to have to buy new tools. Nobody's got time for that. I don't know if I'll ever financially recover, but I needed the tool, or I had to pay somebody that owned the tool. So that was my options. That's only one option, so option singular. But hey, so if you've got this issue, easy fix if you have the right tool. If not, you can maybe make the right tool or come up with something. But this is just a short video. Fern, are you done chewing snow? Huh? Are you almost done? No, she's not. Unfortunately, now you got to get under your sink. And this is not comfortable, but hey, it's part of it. It also provides the best possible view for anybody watching you, you know? But it's just the name of the game. Now, don't be making fun of me about how messy the underside of the sink is. Don't even tell me yours looks much different than that. But right up there, it's this copper colored, looks pretty orange. Right up at the top, there's that black nut, and that has to be just tightened up. I tightened it, finger tightened it as much as I could, and now I've got to, whatever, get the wrench in there. This thing actually has got an open end on the one side, so you can slide it up in there. That does flip around for different size nuts. I know it's not focused very well. It doesn't look like I'm doing a whole lot, but I didn't need much. Like I said, I got it tightened as good as I can, and I got strong fingers, okay? So I just needed like a half turn just to really get it in there solid. And then there's another nut that goes on there. That's all it was, like 30 seconds. Watch your head. Oh, yeah. And look at that, like a rock. Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul. And the children say you gotta laugh and play, just the same as you and me. Oh, it's still cold out. Still cold out. Didn't change in the last 5 minutes. What was my point? I started talking about shiny tools. I guess my point is that this tool is probably going to stay pretty shiny, except for I am going to Sharpie my initials on it because, I mean, then it doesn't walk off as easy. But it's, you know, people have shiny tools, maybe because they are like me now, and I'm probably not going to use this tool for a while. Hi, Fern. It's going to be a minute. There's Fern. Right, Fern? Hopefully not using that tool for a while. Okay. Anyway, you guys don't care about that. So yeah, sorry if I made fun of you for your shiny tools, and it's only because you just haven't had the opportunity to use it. And hopefully I won't be using this a lot. I don't want to have, I don't want to use, I don't want sinks falling apart all the time. Look, it's a simple fix though. Sorry. It's a simple fix. If you have that tool. If you don't, it's very difficult, and that's the reality of it. Because I tried fixing it with one of my many open-end wrenches. That's a 7/8 nut on there, and you just can't get the turn. Now, maybe if you have a ratcheting wrench that does like every 16th it clicks, so you can just do a little small movement and eventually get it to move. But this is a $30 tool. It worked great, and I used it for probably literally 5 minutes. But it's a lot cheaper than calling the plumber who has that tool to fix it. And so, yeah, worthwhile investment, I guess, because a plumber's going to charge 75 bucks just to show up. So one thing done, an easy one. Give it a try, buy one. And if you know me personally, just let me know when your sink's loose and falling apart, because I've got the tool right there, and you're more than welcome to borrow it. And maybe bang it up so it doesn't look like it's brand new anymore. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Sleigh bells ring, and are you listening? In the lane, the snow is glistening. Such a beautiful sight, happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Plumbing stuff. You should be singing. You should be singing with all stuff. Done.